is an emergency services notification. Due to risk of infection...
The security wing needs some love. And Captain Benitez. The JTF love the guy. He can mobilize them and help us get the intel and firepower we need to get all these hostiles off the streets.
Hey, don't walk away. Yo, check out the merchandise. I'll be here when you change your mind.
If I don't have it, you don't need it. Catch you next time. You looking for anything?
Best of luck out there.
Nobody's gonna give you a better deal.
This is an emergency services notification. Physical violence is strictly forbidden inside the perimeter. Violators will be punished and may be expelled from the secure area.
Good luck.
Best of luck out there.
Look all you want.
UN's the end of the line for the last
Another
man
time.
battalion. They got nowhere else to go.
I got a hell of a selection. Hey, nothing to worry about.
If I don't have it, you don't need it.
Best of luck out there.
Sold.
Hey, check these babies out.
Best of luck out there.
Well, so you're a division agent, huh? Great. Now, don't dwell on all the death and carnage around. They have more support than you do now, but so what? Fate's random and heartless. Nothing you can do about that. Stay positive. I'm just, real glad it's gonna be you out there in the field and not me. But I'll let you know what we got.
The medical wing is a wreck right now. Once we get that virologist over here, we can build up a staff, investigate the origin of the virus, and start getting more supplies. For civilians, but...
Like? Business with you.
Hey there! Come on over!
The tech wing has obviously seen better days. If you can get Rhodes back here, he's apparently got a lot of tricks up his sleeve. Former PMC, I think. Knows more than you think he does. I suspect he'll be very useful.
Hey, bad news. I'm not gonna be able to get out there. Not with my goddamn leg like this. I'll do what I can from here, but it's not the same. You have no idea how much I wanted to be in the field. I trained for a scenario like this my entire life, but it's worse than anything we could have imagined. You know how they won't let you get too close to anyone, so it won't mess you up when you're finally activated? Well, I did that, and it didn't fucking work. I'm attached. These are my people. This is my city. We're taking it back. Oh.
Look, you need to...
Yeah, okay. Okay. They're counting on us. Let's not let them down.
Hey, you gotta see this.
You're hurting him! Listen up. I spent 6 years in medical school. I don't give a shit what... What the hell are you doing? You're hurting him! Listen up. I spent 6 years in...
We've got a rioter takeover at Madison Square Garden. JTF and Sarah were using the site as a field hospital, but armed hostiles swarmed in. Now they've got the med staff as hostages. Them, especially Jessica Candle, the virologist who is running the place. Find her, send her to the base, and clean up what's left. We've got a lot of hostiles inside, Agent. They're holding Dr. Candle and her staff. We need those personnel back at the base so we can get the medical wing functional.
We'll hold here to cover your back. Then we'll escort the medical personnel when you retrieve them.
Where'd they go? Oh, shit!
To the security system, I might be able to find Candle's location. Patched in. Let's see what I can find. Can you see the CCTV feed? Looks like Candle and her staff are being forced to treat their wounded. Still alive.
It looks like they've got people upstairs, in a restaurant. There's a lot of these guys, but if you use cover, you should pick them off without making yourself a target.
Keep your eyes peeled. Don't let them sneak up on us. No problemo. Die, you little shit. Gas time, asshole!
Additional hostiles detected.
This was tricky! He's still high!
Additional hostiles detected. Warning. Additional hostiles detected.
Candle and her staff are still upstairs, stashed in the kitchen at Kobe's. Word is that they the place. It would have broken my dad's heart to see it go to hell like this. We used to watch games there together. I think it's better my folks didn't live to see any of this. But then I think about all the people doing their best to keep going. That's who we do this for, Agent. Go get him. To get to Kobe's, you'll have to pass by some contaminated areas. There used to be plenty of sick people being treated there before they got shot. So be careful.
Warning. Hostiles detected.
escort party's taking heavy fire from the roof. They can't move until you get up there and take down that gunner.
We're pinned down! There's no way we'll make it across alive unless someone can get up there and take out the big guns!
All yours, Agent. Alpha Escort, we have an agent on the roof. Has Candle made it to your position?
Affirmative. She and her staff just arrived. As soon as the hostiles are gone, we'll get her across safely. Got the medics safely across. And all staff accounted for. No casualties.
We're off to a good start, agents. Wish I could have had your back out there, but I think we make a hell of a team anyway. When you get back to the base, we'll talk to Candle, and we'll see what she can do for us.
Good luck out there. Hey, don't walk away. You name it, I got it.
We got the medical
Just
staff
got
back
here.
from the hospital.
Now they want us to move out of here.
That doctor knows about viruses.
here anyway.
She might be able to help track down.
I was hoping to make a sale.
Step right up and take a look.
Spare me the goddamn condescension,
Just
okay?
trying to look on the bright side here. Even if it is the end of the world, it's just
Dozens of sick ones hoping I'd run just shot in their beds. Who does that? Doesn't that impact you at all?
It's a deal. This is best gear. Come and take a look.
Hey, you gotta see this.
Everything's for sale. Come back when you feel like buying.
Nobody's gonna give you a better deal. Sold. Hey!
Your name. Nobody's got a better selection. Man, I love making deals.
Look who it is! Thanks for getting me out of the garden. I've been in some hostile work environments before, but Jesus. Of course, it's not like this place is gonna win any prizes either. Antique equipment, 0 staff, patients lining up out the door. This isn't gonna cut it.
We're doing the best we can, Dr. Candle. Any suggestions you might have, I'm happy to listen.
I know. Beggars, choosers, all that crap. What matters is beating this thing, but I can't do that without knowing more about it.
And here's a good place to start. Sarah is pretty sure Dr. Gordon Amherst had something to do with the outbreak.
God. That asshole. Saw him present a paper at Columbia once. He nearly started a riot. He's part of this. I need to talk to him. Anything of his you can find. Notebooks, laptops, close personal friends, I need that too. And we need to talk about antibodies. You're gonna be busy.
And you'll be?
Fixing this. Saving lives. Now if you'll excuse me, I'll get started.
Looks perfect. I can't thank you enough. But I will bring you something from my wine rack. Finally, a clinic. Gotta start somewhere. We've got enough staff to start tending to the public, but we've got our work cut out for us.
I heard some guys say they're gonna...
I can see you're looking to buy. Well, what can I help you with? Hey, no hard feelings.
Hey, check these babies out.
This is perfect, Agent. Nation facilities are going to save lives and stop the spread of disease.
Whatever's in the consulate, the LMB wants it bad.
Hey, I got what you need.
I'll be in touch. Let's get back to it.
Phase 1 was a success. Repeat, Phase 1 success. Flow steady, tank held solid.
Roger that, good to hear. You boys got Hudson Yards clean count?
Confirmed infected, 47 possible. Jesus, it's... We confirmed Phase 1 was a success. Repeat. Need to get this apartment block cleaned up.
I think somebody's out there.
You mean like...
Help me, please! I think somebody's out there.
You mean like help?
Help me, please!
Not quite done here.
maybe something.
Let's
Shoot
take
the
him
door if
out!
you see something.
Rooted him out! You look like you got some gas!
How's this screwed up world treating you?
I thought you were helping us.
Shit, I think somebody's out there.
You mean like help?
Help me, please!
James, you're so